threading airlock serger machine. Using only 3 threads. To engage the looper, lock, okay. Okay. There we go. All right, then bring it through and under the presser foot that way. All right, thread number 3. There we go. This ear feeder is a lifesaver. I'm practicing cleaning away the fuzzies. This goes under here. Move this back. Okay. Release that. Okay. Close this. And let's test. This is to lower the presser foot. Yay! Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jennifer with Ultimate Closet. I just wanted to do a short video just showing a new addition, and this is a serger machine. So I remember my mom had a serger machine when I was growing up, you know, in my teens, and she used to use that to finish her items, and it was just the baddest little machine I've ever seen. I was very impressed with the machine, and even at that tender age I was impressed with the machine. So my mom had just the skill, how it was strong, and anything that went wrong with the machine she was able to fix it because that was her livelihood. And so like I said, I'm just impressed with serger machines. They do finishing stitches to your garments, and yeah, just wanted to show how I, like I said, strung it up and I'm here sewing now. So yeah, let me show you what I've done so far. So this is it, and it requires 4 threads pretty much, but I am currently using only 3, and it's pretty much looking neat. Okay, so that's the stitch it's giving. Yeah, I was able to, watch YouTube and see how it how to string the machine. So here I'm just showing the finishing part to one of my daughter's orders for her bags. I showed videos in the past where I did the linings for her bags, and so this is one of them. But we didn't get to the first part of showing, how I started the bag. But yeah, just to show you, like I said, a little snippet of what this looks like. So thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys will see me in the next video. Bye.